India is a land of diversity where each state has its unique culture, traditions, and food. When it comes to food, curry is one of the most popular dishes that is loved and relished by people all over the world. But did you know that there are diverse regional variations of curry across India? In this video, we will take you on a culinary journey to explore the different types of curry that India has to offer. North Indian curries, rich, creamy, and heavily influenced by Mughal and Punjabi cultures. Butter chicken, paneer makhni, and dal makhni are some of the popular curries from this region. East Indian curries, lighter, less creamy, and have a strong emphasis on mustard oil and mustard seeds. Fish curry, chingri malai curry, and chicken curry are some of the popular dishes from this region. South Indian curries, tangy, spicy, and have a balance of flavors. Made with coconut, tamarind, and curry leaves. Chicken chettinad, fish curry, and sambar are some of the popular dishes from this region. West Indian curries, influenced by Portuguese and Konkan cultures. Curries are made with coconut milk and have a slightly sweet taste. Goan fish curry, vindaloo, and sorpotel are some of the popular dishes from this region. From the north to the south, and the east to the west, there's a curry for every taste bud in India. Don't miss the chance to savor the unique and delicious curries that India has to offer.